General. From Harbor Freight. Right. Start screwdrivers, I guess. My Phillips sign. I got some Huskies. It's got one of those Tekton
impact
sockets. And all these are quick to say.
How's it going, everybody? I was wanting to do a quick little toolbox tour of my U.S. General from Harbor Freight. Right. Start screwdrivers, I guess. This is my Phillips side. I got some Huskies, some Milwaukees, a Tekton, some other cheap ones. Just got one of those Tektons. Out of all of these, I'd have to say the Harbor Freight Quinn is my favorite, just because of the handle. Same deal for the flatheads. Alright, got my Honeywell 500 lemon lot. Got some half-inch impact sockets. Matco 24 through 10. And some Harbor Freights that skip sizes. And I got some half-inch extensions. Then I got my Tekton half-inch 10 through 32 shallow. And I got the 3/8. It goes from 6 to 24. These guys, they have a lock and tray, so you gotta twist them. I really like these. And I got the Tekton 1/4" metric. These are all metric, by the way. This is 4, I believe. Yeah, 4 through 16. Then I got my 1/4" extensions. Oh, those are the 3/8, and those are the 1/4". Got some Icon hex bits. Got this crappy pass-through socket set from Crescent. Gearwrench micro driver set and some cheap Torx bits. And then here's my little bit of standard section. Some half-inch Allen brand, they don't make no more. And I got some Pittsburgh 3/8 and Tekton 1/4". Alright, first little drawer. This is my small collection of standard wrenches. Mostly is metric. I got Gearwrench and Kobalt. My electric drawer. Got multimeter, 2 of them, clamp meter. Got the Quinn torque adapter, I think that's what it's called. Really like that thing. Some flashlights, headlamp, tape, a lot of heat shrink tubing, and mine's going blank. Whatever that thing's called. These toolboxes they don't like to shut all the way. There's one of my ratchet drawers, my favorite thing to collect. Okay, got Powerbuilt, Craftsman, Stanley, Allen, Matco, 2 Tektons, Gearwrench, Proto, Crescent, Snap-on, Stillman Pro, Capri, Williams, Pittsburgh, Tekton 1/4", Gerald Last Stubby, 2 Aris, Gearwrench. This is like the smallest ratchet I found. The Aris 3.3 inches comes in handy. Here's all my metric wrenches. The ratchet and wrench, Gearwrench. Skipped a few sizes, so I got the Tekton in there, and a Husky, and a Tekton. All the way up to 19. 6 to 19. Got these cheap ratchet wrenches from Pittsburgh, which I started with. Some crow's feet. The original Tekton ones I've never used. The flex head Gearwrench. Skips a few sizes. Got a few stubbies from Kobalt. Then got a set from 6 to 23. It's mostly Kobalt, but had to fill in some sizes, so got some Husky, Sunex, Capri, Tekton, Armstrong, and an Allen, but most of them are Kobalt. Here's my favorite drawer. This is my plier drawer / oversized ratchet drawer. Got my favorite ratchets in here. Got my snap-on 1/2 inch flex head. And I got a Gearwrench 1/2 inch 120 XP. Haven't used it yet. Haven't used this one. Haven't used most of these yet, honestly. And the Tekton 36 tooth, really cheap ratchet. And my favorite ratchet of all, the Matco walking flex head 3/8. Then my second favorite should be the snap-on Dual 80. Haven't used it. Picked up this Cornwell from eBay. Haven't used it yet either. This Easy Red someone gave me. It's a lock and flex head. It's got a 1/4 inch on one side and 3/8 on the other. It's really neat. Haven't used it, but I will. I don't want to go through all these pliers, but some of them. These are the big boys, 16-inch Tektons. Really come in handy for some stuff that you really need to have some torque for. I got the plier racks, the Tekton plier rack, Pittsburgh. Let's see, I got channel locks, Pittsburgh, OEM Tools, what are these? Tekton. Didn't even know I had those. Got Allen, Stanley, Hart, which actually makes pretty decent tools, even though from Walmart. Tekton, snap-on, Walmart, Quinn, Huskies, Craftsman, off-brand. Got some really crappy vice grips, diagonal cutters, and they broke on the first time. Some wire cutters from Harbor Freight, some dual pliers, some snap ring pliers and another snap ring kit, really cheap. Got a little bit of stuff on the outside, a couple extra screwdrivers, some penetrating grease, some lithium, more screwdrivers. This cheap thing, it's a magnet, flashlight, and it flexes. Pretty neat. I got the mini grease gun and some gloves. AC Delco ratchet. Got the Kobalt XTR 1/2 inch bad boy. Really love that thing. The first drill I ever owned. Had this thing like 10 years. Black and Decker. Cheap but still works. And then I got the Bosch 1/2 inch. You can put regular bits in it too. Not the strongest, but it works for most things. And that about sums it up for the first toolbox. I'll do another video for my other box coming soon. Please subscribe and like it if you like the video. And have a good evening.